We're looking at window coverings today. Here's an example of drapes fitted to a rod. You can see these large rings and the drapes fold in and out of the rod. What this means is that there's large gaps behind the drapes. And what happens in the winter time when you're warming your home, your winter heating floats into that space. It gets cooled by the cold glass, it becomes more dense and drops. So that comes out the bottom, cooler air coming out down the bottom, and warmer air, more warmer air being drawn in the top. So that is a continuous cooling cycle in your home that's wasting your winter heating. In the summertime, the opposite happens. The warm glass heats the air behind the drapes, it rises and comes out the top and draws in cooler air at the bottom. So that is a heating cycle when you least want one. What to do about this? So if you've already got drapes on a rod like this, you really need to stop the airflow happening behind the drapes. And the way to do that is with a box pelmet. If you haven't yet chosen your drapes, then heavy drapes on a track system is a better idea. Tracks lend themselves more to the use of invisible pelmets or box pelmets. The choice is yours. So when choosing window coverings, think about that. The window coverings really need to stop airflow happening between the window coverings and the glass.